Hello guys, we're here in the wild. I'm gonna show you how to be an adventurer, because you probably guys don't know how to be an adventurer like me. And I am a verified adventurer on Instagram. I am not verified yet, but I will be after this video. Let's go. As you can see on my right, there's a lot of trees. I don't know what type of trees they are. They just are trees. Sir, what do you think about nature? They don't like to be on camera.
You scared them away.
I'm sorry, bro.
You have to respect them.
Respect ducks?
Yeah.
Imagine respecting ducks. I don't do that shit.
You don't even respect your parents.
Shut up. Don't need to know that. No one needs to know that. Oh, look, there's a sign. See? They know we are here. The recording crew. We're in my next video, I'll teach you how to read. If you see here, this is what we like to call meth. It's free in Ireland, so you can smoke and shit. Or nettles, I don't know. I forgot. Don't touch it. Leave it. We're in nature, we can't touch shit. Let's go. Remember, when you're in the wild, you have to stay hydrated. I pissed in my water. It's clear because I drink healthy, eat healthy.
That's toxic.
What, this?
Yeah.
Nah. The pH scale told me no. As you can see, it's very bright and sunny. That's the best time to adventure. If you're in the forest, yeah, and it's night and you don't want to be cold, just head home. And if you're lost, just shout Marco. Someone's bound to say Polo.
Marco.
Huh? As you can see there, that's where the Celtic tombstones are. We live in Ireland, so like, you know, it has to be Celtic.
Can you show us the Celtic tombstones?
Yeah, it just showed you right there.
Let's go look at them. Investigate.
But how will we get through?
This is the worst documentary I've ever seen.
Shut up. You can see red leaves.
What does that mean?
It means they're red leaves. Don't you know geography?
You failed geography.
Shut up.
This red thing.
This red thing? This it's an Apache pizza. They're very rare in forests. I know, right? Amazing. These are herbs. They help you with diarrhea.
How do you know? Have you tried it?
Yeah.
How was it?
Tastes nice. You can try it now if you want.
You won't.
But I will.
No, stop him. Stop him. He's gonna eat it.
Yeah. So this helps diarrhea. What tower?
Big tower there.
It's a thick tower.
Do you see big tower? I do see big tower. Oh, the big tower. Did you eat it?
No, it tastes nice. Can someone take out my water? Oh my god.
Mr.Grylls. What are those? Mr.Grylls.
Where are those?
Yeah.
They're Jordans. Look, they look pretty nice, you know? Yeah.
Can we get a few moves with them?
What do you think? Sir. Miss, moo.
Come back.
Well, I want to ask you what do you think about this nature? Thank you. Yeah, that's as much as we can get from them. They're very shy. Fucking mongrels. Let's go. By the way, it was said once that Jesus walked on this water. Yeah. Wait, me? Yeah. Do I look like Jesus to you? Yeah. I mean,
you're in the
I would go in the water, but I'm wearing Jordans. Like, we have a guest. His name is. Sorry, hello. What do you think about nature?
I think.
Thank you.
I think that.
Okay, and what do you think about the Celtic tombstones?
Yeah.
I see. Very interesting, right? What do you think But it's forest. It's actually not a forest. Okay, thank you for this for your information. Let's continue. Hello, sir. Interesting. What do you think about this forest? You're pretty short. Bro, what are you doing? We fucking stopped recording.